ready to transform your Capcut PC videos from ordinary to absolutely breathtaking with professional color grading. First, let's dive into the basic. Adjustments will be focusing on exposure, contrast, and saturation to build our foundation. Slide the exposure slider slightly to the right to brighten your clip if it's too dark, and adjust the contrast to add punch and definition between your highlights and shadows. Don't be afraid to push saturation a bit for richer colors, but keep an eye on it to avoid a blown-out look. Next, we move to the Adjust panel. Specifically, the Color tab. This is where the magic truly begins. We'll start with the white balance. Use the eyedropper tool to click on a neutral gray or white area in your footage to automatically correct any color casts. Alternatively, manually adjust the temperature and tint sliders to achieve a natural look. Now, let's get detailed with the HSL adjustments. This is crucial for mimicking that advanced color grading feel. Select a specific color range. Say blues, you can then precisely tweak its hue to shift the color, its saturation to make it more or less vibrant, and its luminance to brighten or darken. That specific hue will selectively boost the blues in the sky for that cinematic pop, and perhaps slightly desaturate greens for a more moody feel. For that truly professional, After Effects-like polish, we'll utilize the curves. This tool gives you ultimate control over contrast and color by manipulating the RGB curve. You can create an S shape for more dynamic contrast, lifting the highlights and crushing the shadows for a classic cinematic look. You can also adjust individual red, green, and blue curves to meticulously fine-tune specific color channels. Capcut PC also offers fantastic LUTs, while you can certainly create your own unique grades. Pre-made LUTs are a great starting point or quick way to achieve a specific aesthetic. Explore the library. Apply a few and see how they instantly transform your footage. Then feel free to tweak them further using the basic and HSL adjustments we just covered. And there you have it. By mastering these advanced color correction and grading techniques in Capcut PC, you can elevate your videos with stunning cinematic palettes. Experiment, have fun, and start telling your stories with incredible visual flair.